The 1911 pistol is John Brownie's classic design, and we use a cutaway of this gun to teach you a lot of foundational principles about handguns, including with a cutaway being able to show you how the lockup of the link system works and all the internal operations of the fire control, step by step, and all of the subsystems. This is what we call design and function and then repair, DF&R. And it's what you need to know if you're going to be a real gunsmith. We teach it step by step through the American Gunsmithing Institute. And if you want more information and tips on being a gunsmith, make sure you like and subscribe to American Gunsmithing Institute.